I hope you're having a great fourth quarter so far. As we're running towards the finish line at the end of this year, we're having a team offsite event to plan 2026. We'll go over what was working for us, what we should keep, what we should expand, and what we should stop doing. Open houses have been having great success with knocking 5 doors on each side of the street and 10 across the street. Also past clients, reaching out and ask them how they're doing, checking with them to wish them the best for Thanksgiving and the holiday season, and talking with them about them, their family, and if you'd like to have a referral, someone that would be just like them. Also, great success we've had with just sold postcards mailing around our listings. Sign calls have also been very popular, and we've had quite a few sales from that. Also, the hotline from the flyers on the property. We've adopted a few outside buyers, and they've come back and referred us business, and also we've helped them with their real estate needs in buying and selling. And the last part, which is going to be getting much bigger next year in LA County, is Zillow Flex. LA County has now turned to a flex market, no longer a market-based pricing. There's over 100 teams in the LA County area that are in the Flex program. If you have any questions on Flex, it'd be my pleasure to tell you about it. I also know quite a number of teams in the Flex program throughout the LA County. I can always refer you to someone if you'd like to speak to someone in a different service area. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Any questions, comments, I'm always here for you. Take care, wishing you the best, and bye for now.